Good evening everyone. Today's topic is surface areas and volume. As you can see, this is a simple square which is formed by 4 line segments. The surface area of this square is A square. Here A is the side, length of the side, and this is a three-dimensional figure formed by 6 squares, which means there are 6 squares on either sides. The area of this figure is 6 times of normal square, that is 6A square. Coming to the volume, as this is a planar surface which doesn't have no volume at all, no volume, and coming to here, the volume of cube is A cube. Here A is again the length of the cube. So the next here comes is a rectangle whose the largest side we will take it as length and smallest side we will take it as breadth. So the area of a rectangle is a simple length into breadth. Coming to a three-dimensional figure of a rectangle, which is a cuboid, which is formed by length, breadth along with the height given. So the area of the cuboid will be 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. So our next figure is cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional object which is formed by 2 circular surfaces and 1 curved surface here. These 2 circular surfaces is which on the cylinder stands. So the radius of the cylinder we will take it as small r and the height of the cylinder we will take it as h. The cylinder will have 2 types of surface area. The number 1 is curved surface area, which is called as CSA, and the number second one is total surface area. Curved surface area is nothing but the surface area in which we will take these 2 surfaces, the down and the bottom and the top surfaces we will do and calculate the surface, means the curved surface. The curved surface of a cylinder is given by 2 pi r into h, CSA. Here r is the radius of a cylinder and h is the height. Coming to the total surface area, we will include the surface area, the CSA, plus the surface area of these 2 circles. That is, on whole it will become 2 pi r into h plus r. The next figure here, it is a cone. It is also called as a right circular cone, which is formed by a circular surface here whose radius is r and a height of cone h. In this figure, we will have the lateral height, we will take it as L. So the cone will have a curved surface area CSA and a total surface area TSA, and it is also having the volume. So the curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. Here L means the lateral height, and the total surface area is pi r L into L plus r. Again we have the lateral length and the radius. Coming to its volume, it's 1 by 3 times of pi r square h. Here h means the height of the cone. So how to find this length, lateral length L? So we will take it this as a one triangle like this. It is a right angle triangle whose bottom is r and this is the hypotenuse. We will take it as L, and this entire height is h. By using the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Here the hypotenuse is L square, and one side is we will take it as r square, and second side we will take it as h square. So the lateral length whole square is equal to L is equal to under root of. So the next sphere, it is S sphere. So what is the difference between a sphere and a coin, or else we will take it as a circle. A circle is a planar surface which will have the radius. The area of the circle is pi into square times of r, and the circumference, the length of this, the boundary we can say, that is 2 pi into r. Coming to the sphere, a sphere is a three-dimensional body. It's a combination of all circles, completely infinite circles. So the sphere will have only the volume, that is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the radius and pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. The next three-dimensional figure we can see, it is a hemisphere. It is a half cut of a total sphere. So the 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. So for hemisphere it will be half times, means 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1 by 2, that is 4 by 6 pi r cube. It will be gets cancelled and it will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the three-dimensional figures which we have studied. This is a cube which is formed by a squares, combination of squares, 6 squares, and this can be also formed by squares which length is bigger, means it is 2 rectangles and 1 square, something 4 rectangles and 2 squares which is having a height. And coming to this, it is a cut pipe, we can say it is a cylinder which have the height and the radius, which will have 2 surfaces and 1 curved surface. And coming to this, it is a cone, or we can say it is a right circular cone which has radius, height along with lateral length. And this is a sphere, it's a kind of a ball, and this is a half cut sphere. So all these figures will have curved surface area, means the surface area which it is standing. The total surface area means along with these 2 standing positions, and curved surface area means leaving these 2 standing positions. Like here, this cylinder will stand on 2 circles. Here only on 1 circle, and for this is a sphere which will not having any curved surface area, which will having only total surface area along with volume. And these all figures also will contain the volume, which means how much of fluid or how much fluid which can be filled up to the entire area.